if your Samsung screen goes black, nothing works, and if you wanna turn it back to life, well, the first thing what we can try and do is to charge our phone. So grab your cable. It's better to be an original Samsung cable. However, if you lost it, any cable would work. Now locate your charging port right here at the bottom and insert it. See if the charging starts, because sometimes your black screen might be caused by a full drained battery. If your phone is completely drained, there might be a charging indicator, might be not. However, wait for 20 to 30 minutes to ensure that the battery recharges. If charging doesn't help, you can try a forced restart. So to do that, we have to hold our power button and volume down button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. In my phone, they are located right here on the right side and on the left side. So let's hold them simultaneously for once again like 10-15 seconds, and we should feel a vibration or see a Samsung logo. Right, we did this and our phone starts rebooting. If you have an SD card installed, it might be causing a problem as well, so grab your SIM ejecting tool or straighten paper clip, or basically any kind of thin object that can fit into our SIM tray hole. Now grab it, locate your SIM tray, locate this hole around here, right? After that, we gotta insert our SIM ejecting tool. Push a little bit, take out your SIM tray. If you have your SD card here, simply pop it out. Now insert it back in, and let's hold our power button. So if your phone starts restarting and if display turns on, it means the problem was within SD card. Simply don't use it again, or if the problem is resolved, try to put it back. Maybe it will work properly. Also, if your battery is not removable, let your phone sit until the battery is completely drained. Wait a day or two to a full discharge, then charge it again and unplug it. Reconnect the charger. This might help the phone reboot if the issue was caused by a system lockup. Also, you can try to boot into safe mode to check if the third-party app is causing the issue. So you're to hold the power button, and when you'll see Samsung logo, release it and immediately hold the volume down button. Let me show it to you. So hold your power button. We've got our Samsung logo, hold your volume down button and keep on holding it until your phone will boot into a safe mode. So as you see it booted into safe mode, you can understand this by this setting, right? By the home screen that we got our safe mode notification. So and the screen works. So maybe it was caused by your third-party app. If it is, try to detect the apps which you recently installed and uninstall them one by one. So also, if nothing else works, we can try to clear cache. So to do that, plug your phone. You should plug it into computer or power outlet. It will work anyways, it just has to be plugged in. Right, after that, hold your power button, your volume down button and your Bixby button simultaneously. If your phone doesn't have a Bixby button, simply hold your volume down button and your power button. Keep on holding them until you will log into your recovery mode. Once you boot it up to your recovery mode, navigate through it using your volume down and volume up buttons. So find your wipe cache partition option, confirm your choice by pressing a power button. Choose yes, press power button once again, give it some time to do that, and that's it. As our last resort, if nothing works, we could do factory reset. However, beware that all of the data will be erased. In our recovery mode, find your wipe data factory reset option, press power button, Choose factory data reset and press power button once again. Well, if none of those solutions work, the issue might be within hardware. So contact an authorized Samsung center of service or your retailer for diagnosis and repairs. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.